Father, thank you so much, Father, for all sacrifices you have made for me and my siblings. You never left us and worked hard to provide for us. We are so grateful for the good life you have given us. Despite being tired from work, you always think of us first. I feel so lucky to have you as my father because you are so supportive and treat us like friends. Even though you are far away, we miss you so much, Father. You have made so many sacrifices being apart from us as we grow up. Just you could work and give us a brighter future. Father, I deeply admire your strength and love you have shown us to stay strong even in the face of challenges. Your dedication inspired me to work hard and strive for a better future, just like you have. Every lessons you taught me from being responsible to valuing family will always remain in my heart. I want to know that every you have done for us will never be forgotten. We understand the hardships you endure and it's motivated me to succeed and make you proud. You are not just a father but a role model and a source of endless love and wisdom. Thank you so much for all your effort, love, and support. You are truly the best father anyone could ever ask for. I hope one day I can give back and make your sacrifice worth it. Thank you.